Hello guys, today I will show you how to move your Android app into your micro SD card. So you first of all you need to click settings and you go to additional settings, then you go to developer options. Then you have to enable one function which called force app. Is allow apps on external storage, which is allow your app to write in your micro SD card. So you have to open it, then you go back. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is you will need to go to additional setting as well, though you go to backup and reset. After backup and reset, you will need to click backup and restore, so local backup. So you can see we have two local backup here. If you do not have one, you have to click new backup, then it will start to loading your app and others data. Okay, so we have all these apps, so to fasten the process, so we will just install an app. When you want to backup, please you can backup all app, but this one we can quickly to fasten up the process. We just backup one information. Let's say I want to backup food panda, or maybe a Facebook. Never mind, we just backup food panda, then backup to external storage. Okay, then backup complete. This one is we just backup for one, but you want to install your app in every you want to backup every app, so it will take longer. So you can see this in this data I have backup all my app. Okay, later we will use this. Before we start to backup all this app, so we will go back to my storage. You see my storage, it have used 90.1 GB, so we will start to uninstall all the app that you want. Please remember to back up the account information such as username, password, and so on before you uninstall. Otherwise you will not able to re-log in if you forgot your password and you did not bind your account to an online email or server. So we will start to uninstall some app that we think that we want to move to SD card. And while we uninstall, please remember that not all app they will install into our external micro SD card. Some app they will still move to SD card. Some app will move to external SD card. It depends on what app it is. So let's say we have uninstalled this few, and okay, that's all for me. Then we will go back to maybe this one as well. Okay, so the next step is you need to go back to settings, and before we start we check the storage. You see I have uninstalled 8 app here. So we go back to additional setting, backup and reset, backup and restore, local backup. I'm going to use the June 3rd because I have backup a lot of apps here. Okay, so I'm going to just select the app, and I'm going to just click start. And please do not change the screen or go back to the main menu. Just leave the restore data in this screen. Okay, now the restoration is 100% complete. There we click done, and you will see all the app has been restored to the last page in your phone. And you can click settings, storage, and you see mostly all the app has been moved to your SD card, and you have saved like 10 GB compared to 90 GB use. So that's all from my side, and thank you everyone for listening.